When you log into your PayPal account and find a big fat zero, it's a little depressing. It appears like no matter how hard you try, nothing works. But in today's video, what you're about to watch can easily make you $300 to $600 per day in PayPal money, and that's exactly what I'm hoping to help you with these quick and simple videos. But first, a word of caution. These films are not suitable for all audiences. You won't be able to make money if you don't have the time to monitor and risk on your own. So to get started, you'll need an internet-capable device such as a smartphone, tablet, iPad, computer, or laptop. Second, you'll need at least 5 to 10 minutes every day to do the easy PayPal money-making tasks. And third, you'll need to be able to follow step-by-step directions that will be provided in this video. This will be a simple way to earn money online in 2022. I'll show you how to make money rapidly by leveraging the greatest and most effective platforms. If you're interested, stay tuned and watch the video till the end. Before we get into this brand new content, keep in mind that we release new ways to make money online every day, so make sure you complete watching the video and stay tuned anytime we release a new method so you can be the first to test it out. Like and post in the comments section below to help us with the YouTube algorithm and achieve a larger audience. Please support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up below, and if you want to be notified whenever I publish a new video, click on that red subscribe button and turn on notifications, and you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. So, without further ado, let's get started with the tutorial. These simple PayPal money-making tactics are absolutely free and open to anyone with a PayPal account in any country. However, if you don't already have one, I'll show you how to obtain one. To begin, go to paypal.com, simply click the sign up button right here to be taken to this website. To sign up for a free account, go to personal account and click the next button to fill out a very simple form to sign up for a free PayPal account. Now we'll move on to step 2, and I'd like you to go to this website, which I'll tell you about in a minute. When you reach this website's main page, click on Join as a Beta Tester, link up top, and it'll take you to this page where you can see early adopters can join the beta tester community. You can try out a selection of exciting new products on this website. You will be compensated for providing feedback on new programs, websites, and products. Now don't worry, it's a lot easier than what you're doing now, and I'll show you an example in a minute. So you'll start by going through all of the tests on new apps, websites, and devices that are available here. You might be able to obtain various programs that you can try and use to begin earning money online, so keep an eye on the screen because I'll teach you how to accomplish it in a few moments. Moving on, once you receive the project, you'll go to complete your assignment, provide feedback, and submit bug reports. Finally, as seen below, most tests pay $10 to $20 depending on the test you're conducting, but if you work online, you can make much more money. So let's go on to the next stage, which is to create a free account. To do so, simply input your email address and click the sign up button, which will take you to the screen shown above. Answering a few questions to create your profile and start earning money is a quick step toward becoming a better tester. This is a critical phase, so pay attention and keep watching because I'll show you exactly how to answer all of these questions in under 5 minutes. First, you'll need to set a password for your brand new account. Next, for the first name, simply type in your first and last names. The second half of the section will detail the devices you're using. Now, depending on whether you use an Android phone, an iPhone, a computer, or a laptop, you may receive different work and receive different rewards. It's also likely that the job you obtain will be different. Basically, they'll ask you what TV model you're using right now. And if you're using an Android or iPhone, just type in the name of the device you're using. Since I have an Android phone, an iPhone, and a Windows PC, I'll just select all 3 options right here. The more devices you have, the more opportunities you have to make money online. Let's move on to the next question. To choose your age, simply click on this down arrow and select your age, followed by your gender. To choose your nation, simply select the country from which you're coming from. As you can see, they're basically accepting people from all over the world. Once you've chosen your nation, all you have to do now is choose your time zone, zip code, and educational background. Moving on to the following question about technical experience, I recommend that you pick average or expert so that we can have more opportunities. So let's go on to the next question, which is which social networks do you use? As for me, I prefer Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn. Another question here is, are you employed now? I'll just choose full-time and then have to choose an industry outside of my employment, because you can choose any industry you want right now. So we're almost done with this, only a few more questions to go. So finally, you must choose your hobbies from a number of areas. You may choose any category you like, but I recommend technology, business, and at the very least, health and fitness. These 3 categories will provide you with the most money, and you can choose the rest based on your unique situation. As you can see, there are a total of 8 options available. Since I'm not a parent, I just pick no and then hit the submit registration button, and it's that simple. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like and share this video with your friends, subscribe using the red button, and leave a comment down below if you loved it. If you liked it, subscribed, turned on the notification bell, and left a comment down below, that will be awesome. If we receive 1,000 comments on this video saying I will make money in 2022, we'll release a fantastic new video next week that might be even cooler than all of this, where you can make money doing simple things like this. So, if this video receives 2,022 likes, we'll release an incredible brand new video that might be even crazier than all of this. So, with that said, it's time to go back to work and earn some cash. So let's go on to the next step, which will provide you with a list of apps to use to start making money on betatesting.com. Remember that test availability is highly determined by your country of origin and the devices you're using. You may be able to test on a range of apps depending on your country. If you wanted to test this app 60 Seconds Hero on Google Play, for example, you could. You can then go to the Google Play Store and download these games, then start playing them to provide feedback on your experience with the app, and you can earn anywhere between $10 to $20 for each app you test, as long as you have internet. This is something you can do on your Android or iPhone. True, we may test on a website and earn extra PayPal money in the process, so right now, I'm gonna show you a small sample so they can see the whole picture and understand how it works. Now, if you have a project that you want to test on a website like eBay, you may do so by going to the eBay website and clicking the link right here. You can see that if you go to the eBay official website, you may simply follow the following step and the next instruction, such as taking a screenshot of the eBay website homepage if you receive this instruction. You can then take a screenshot with your phone, or if you're using a computer like me, you can take a snapshot and store it as an image on your computer. Moving on to step 3, find the daily offer on eBay and capture a screenshot. You may receive different directions based on the projects you receive, but the main concept is that they want to check if you can navigate around their website by surfing around. They basically want to make sure that people who come to the website for the first time are able to navigate around and eventually find daily deals. So right now you can go to eBay and look for the daily deals section. Now you can see all of the genuine daily offers section, and all you have to do is click on that link to be taken to this website. We can see that they need to use our eBay, so all you have to do now is take a screenshot of the daily deals part to demonstrate that you can find it. All you have to do now is take 3 screenshots of the eBay website's daily deal area, and that's all there is to it. So on step 4, we're gonna locate this gateway and take a screenshot of the entire product name, which you can highlight and copy by selecting copy and returning to the eBay website, where we will paste the entire product name into the search bar. Simply click the search button, and you'll see that I've found it right now. Here's the name of the object that we're looking for, and that's exactly what we find. I'm just gonna click on them. It's actually very simple. Take a screenshot to prove that you found the product, and as you can see, it's very basic and straightforward. Simply follow all of the procedures and directions. Finally, locate and take a screenshot of the eBay customer assistance interface. I'm just gonna go back to the eBay homepage and click on the help and contact page, and as you can see, I'm gonna go all the way to eBay's customer support site, take a screenshot of the page, and that will be step 5. When compared to simply testing a simple app, fully evaluating the website and reading and browsing through different sections of the website might earn you a lot more money. You'll receive different projects and be required to participate in different app tests depending on what country you're from and what devices you're using. Different websites are actually quite exciting, fresh, innovative, and engaging concepts, so that's how you can make money online using PayPal money on betatesting.com. Alright, that wraps up today's tutorial. If you made it to the end, just know that if you decide to step up, you'll start making money. Don't let your emotions control you, get up and start doing whatever I showed you in this video. This is the end of the video. If you made it to the end, thank you so much for staying with us. Make sure you check out the previous videos on our channel. We upload every single day, and all you gotta do is like my channel and turn on the notification bell. Like this video, share this video with a friend, and leave a comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications. If you want to see more money making videos, go to the next video which will pop up on the screen after this tutorial. So, until next time, we'll see you in the next videos.